In today's lecture, we are going to learn algebraic simplification and strength reduction in code optimization. So first we will see what is algebraic simplification, and suppose I am writing some code in that. So with the help of an example, we will understand what is the meaning of algebraic simplification. Suppose I am writing x is equal to x into 1, then I am writing x is equal to x plus 0, then I am writing 0 divided by x is equal to 0. Then suppose if I am writing b or true is equal to true and b or false is equal to b. And suppose some more statements I am writing like b and true is equal to b and b and false is equal to false. So this is the problem, that we all know these kind of statements are already right. What is the meaning of writing like x is equal to x into 1, right? It means x is equal to x only, right? And if I'm writing x is equal to x plus 0, then what is the meaning of writing like this? X is equal to x plus 0 is equal to x only, right? And if I'm dividing 0 with anything, it will come 0 only. So these things are already predefined, right? So if I'm taking like this also, b is some value or true, any value, so it will always come true because OR gate is here, and b OR gate and false value, so always b will come. So these things are already predefined, so no need to write such a statement. So that is the meaning, or that is the solution for that. If these kinds of statement we are writing in our code, so solution for that is that avoid such type of statement. Means that don't write such type of statement in your code. So that is the meaning of algebraic simplification. If these kind of things are there, avoid such things, don't write such things, because these are already predefined things, so do not need to write such things. Now come to the next things. What is strength reduction? What is strength reduction? What is the meaning of that? So I am taking one example. With the help of an example, we will understand. Suppose if I am writing x is equal to x into x, right? This is one example. And suppose if I am writing 2x is equal to x plus x, right? These are two examples. So this is the problem, or we can say these are the statement. That what is the solution for that? Strength reduction, we are able to see here that this is square, so what I'm writing multiplication, right? And here also 2x is equal to x plus x, so this is addition. So always, what is the solution for that? We are able to see this is higher cost operator and this is lower cost operator. So solution for that, we always need to replace high cost operator by less cost operator. Means if this is statement we supposed to write, we need to write in that way that it will use addition, right, instead of multiplication. This is correct. In here we are using addition. This is low cost operator, no problem, but this is high cost operator because multiplication is there, right? So with the help of recursion, we can write such kind of a statement so that we can use the less cost operator instead of high cost operator. So that is the meaning of strength reduction in our code. If it is possible, utilize it, use it. Less cost of operator instead of high cost of operator. So if you like it, subscribe it, share it. And that's all for today. In the next lecture, we are going to learn dead code elimination. Thank you.